Land preparation. Preparing the soil. Field clearing should commence at least 2 months ahead of the target planting date. Clear debris and vegetation at more than 6 inches high. Plow and harrow in specific areas for planting. Cultivating the soil will provide better aeration, improve nutrient and mineral absorption, and water holding capacity. Make sure to map the roads and pathways along with a drainage network. Surface drainage can prevent waterlogging, which is bad for coconuts. Field layout systems. Square. Triangle. Note, it is recommended to use a triangular system for monocropping. Rectangle. QUINCUNX. Planting distance. The proper distance depends on the farming system intended to adopt, whether monocropping or intercropping. Plan the intercrops in advance. Importance of planting distance. Proper utilization of land. Promote sufficient sunlight for optimal yields of both the coconut and intercrops. Advantages for tall coconuts which are cross-pollinating varieties. The triangular system increases the number of palms to be planted by 15% compared to the square system for the same farm size and planting distance. Soil moisture check. Plant seedlings when appropriate soil moisture is achieved. The correct soil moisture at planting will determine the survival, growth, and vigor of the seedlings and consequently productivity in later years. Use a soil moisture meter to ensure a correct reading of the moisture levels in your soil. If you don't have access to a soil meter, a hand field test is an alternate way to determine moisture. Hand field tests for soil moisture. Grasp enough soil from the dug hole. Press firmly with your fingers. Open your hand. If the pressed soil is molded into your palm, the moisture is enough. If the soil is not at the proper moisture level, water daily for a week and do soil moisture tests until the correct levels are reached.